My hair is wet. And also the juicy pink, so it's gonna give you a little bit of sparkle and spine. There's nothing you can do with wet hair. These are also, Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia for those who are tuning in, and welcome back to everybody else. Are you guys excited? It's finally summer. I'm so excited. Life is really starting to look and feel normal again. Last week we went to 2 different places. We went to the boardwalk, which was super crowded with people. I mean, families, kids, and just friends reuniting. It was so nice to see that. So things are starting to get back to normal. Just seeing people without masks made me feel like it's not normal. The day after that, we went to the Giants game, which was so much fun. We reunited with our friends. It was just really nice to feel somewhat normal again and just being with our friends and loved ones. And now we're slowly getting back to our family dinners that we normally have with my family, and so things are just going really well. And this weekend we will be going to Vegas for the 4th of July weekend, so there will be more storytellings and also vlogging. So let's just go ahead and jump into my first favorites. I just got out of the shower and I retoned my ends. So I did a silver toner, which I normally do because I like to keep my silver ends. But if I don't tone it properly or use purple toner shampoo, it can get kind of like green and just really ugly colored. But in addition to that, since the end is the most colored and damaged, it needs some protection. I've been using this EVA-NYC on my ends to help with breakage, help restoring the hair, hydration because there is argan oil in this formulation, so it keeps my hair really soft, silky. It doesn't have my hair feeling heavy like normal conditions can do if you apply too much. Because this is a treatment, it is going to be more concentrated, but I'm just using my fingertips to apply it on the ends. So this won't feel heavy on the ends of the hair, but this will help with anti-frizzing and also damaging. This stuff smells so good. I like to keep my hair slightly damp, so I basically just use my fingers and run it through the hair from the mid shaft all the way to the ends, and the end is where I start adding more product to it because that's a main focus where it's needed. And basically that's it. The lip pout. I like to apply this on my lips before any lip product, or apply it on throughout the time I'm doing my hair and makeup just to get it really nourished. So by the time I put on my lipstick, lip gloss, whatever it may be, lip liner, it's going to be super hydrating. This is really unique because it comes with a metal applicator. It's kind of like an eye product where it has this where it cools it down. So same with the lips. This lip serum is really nice on the lips because it's going to help add volume, create an appearance of fuller and plumpier lips. This also has a nice sparkly kind of look to it. So it's going to give you a little bit of sparkle and shine should you choose to wear this alone. So I was in San Jose and I stopped by this really cute Japanese supermarket where I got these guys here. So we'll start off with this one first. This here, don't know what brand it is because everything is in Japanese. I did, however, save the package. Again, still in Japanese. Once I find out the name of it, I'm gonna go ahead and put everything down in the info box for you guys. Basically, this is so cute. This is a lip and cheek stain. I chose the color peach because if I'm wearing blush or any lips, I usually like more of peachier colors versus like pink. This is really soft. It kind of reminds me of Sunny's face. So basically it's like a gel base, it's really soft. It may look really dark in its color, but once you swatch it out, it's super soft. This can be used on the cheeks and also on the lips. You guys know I love my sparkly colors because I like to apply them on my ring fingers as accent colors. Now, it was hard for me to really see the colors since there's no testers and there's no little swatch thingies there. You know those little plastic nails that people paint on there? I couldn't see all the colors, so I just made that choice to choose this color. Orangey, corals, anything in a pastel family, I love to use as nail polish colors. Grays are another really pretty colors I like to use. Now, I did my nails maybe about a week or something ago, so it's a little bit on the duller looking side, but it looked better, I promised, last week. I've never heard of this brand before. It's named CANMAKE. They're just really tiny and cute and I just had to buy them. So fun fact, not sure if you guys know, but I am such a grapefruit lover. Anything around the house. We have air fresheners, fruits, candles, a perfume. Even when I like to drink alcohol, I'll get my Greyhounds with Tito's. And of course with grapefruit juice, right? So anything grapefruit I love. Hand lotion, I mean everything. If makeup comes in like grapefruit scent, you know I'm getting that. So we went to Bath and Body Works, and of course we checked out all the new summer scents. So I came across this guy, Juicy Pink Grapefruit, and also in an air freshener. Not sure if this was offered years and years ago and they finally brought it back, but from my understanding, the girls that were working there, they said this was a new scent. So you guys know I had to get a whole bunch of these. They are smelling so nice currently right now all over the house. And of course, we put this in the pooper room to get that smell away. The smell isn't overpowering, it's just a perfect amount of citrus and some refreshness. So speaking of grapefruit, guys, I had a company, DOSSIER, D-O-S-S-I-E-R, DOSSIER, sent this beautiful fragrance to me for me to try out and just speak on it. This is a, so refreshing and divine scent. Oh, I actually didn't realize that it had a magnetic cap. So first thing about this package, it's nice and clean, nice and sleek looking. Two, I like the magnetic cap. A lot of times I lose a lot of lids on makeup and everything else, but being that it's magnetic, it actually is very, very helpful, especially if you're traveling somewhere and it's in your bag, things fall out. This will never get lost. So I hardly wear fragrances. If I do wear it, it's really for special occasions. In the summers, like today and now currently, I usually like to spray like body splashes, kind of like super lightweight and nothing really overpowering. So definitely something more fruity like this definitely is like a perfect fit. Now this one is called the Floral Grapefruit, and it has the top notes of my favorites so far: grapefruit, pear, and blackcurrant. It smells so nice. Oh my gosh, it has like a really nice combination with all the other notes on here.
Did you guys know DOSSIER is a clean line? Yes, they are vegan and cruelty-free. They are also crafted in France and selling at a very affordable price. I also have a 10% discount that will last for 1 month, so check the info box below.
Again, this one here is by DOSSIER, and I really love this fragrance. So I have been using Micellar Water for many, many years. I've tried so many kinds. So another fun fact, BIODERMA is actually the first brand I've ever tried this in Micellar Water years and years ago. I stopped using this for a few reasons. It wasn't as available to me to purchase, but now knowing they actually sell it at Target, I'm gonna refill there. Not saying anything bad about the Garnier brand. I like that one a lot. I've tried, I think, 3 or 4 out of the 5 that they offer. I really do like the original one and the blue one, which is the waterproof makeup remover one. Great to use on my clients to remove excess dirt and extra makeup that they may have left over. So that's really good for my clients. My skin is more sensitive, so I feel like the original one of the Garnier and this one works best on my skin. Doesn't feel oily, doesn't feel heavy on the skin or like drying or feeling like what? Basically, it's really gentle on my skin, which I really like. I purchased this at Costco, and this is like the big jumbo size. I was so surprised when I saw this, and I was like, oh my god, it has a pump too. Yes. The lip bar. I'm not sure if you guys have tried this or seen this. This is another Black-owned business. Love to support them. This is a very unique tinted moisturizer. It's very, very sheer, and it has SPF 11. It's okay because I can definitely add my other sunscreen to this, but this formulation is really nice on the skin. Very sheer, very lightweight, which some people may like. Definitely like this formulation if I'm going to the beach or just somewhere where I don't need too much makeup on and just an even coat. I add extra concealer with this because it's just not enough. If I need more coverage elsewhere, I'll use something else, but for the most part, nice summer days like going to the boardwalk, I'll use this with extra sunscreen and I'm all good. Can we just talk about my lip combination, guys? So I've been loving this look. I am wearing a combination of these 3: lip liner, lipstick, and a lip gloss. This lip liner is so nice. It's retractable so you don't have to sharpen it. On the opposite end, there is a little lip brush so you can actually blend this out. This color is just up my alley. It's like a really bricky but really rich type of burnt terracotta, which I really like. It really reminds me of the Espresso by Revlon, which is a high school lipstick staple for like all the girls. This is my first time trying anything in the Huda lipsticks. I thought it was a really traditional nude, but once I swatched it, you can see it's like a very rosy color. It is super matte, but it actually isn't so drying. Then of course I topped it off with a super high shine, also in a coral color to go with the eyes. Apply this on again because I really like the texture of it. It's not sticky, it's not tacky. It brightened up the lips a slight bit, but I love the super high shine it gives. I went to a store called Hobby Lobby, which I've never stepped foot in. I was telling everyone, guys, we need to check out this place because I heard it's like a Michael's, but like 100 times more. Who doesn't love arts and crafts? So we go inside and they have a million things to look at. They have home decor, flowers, paintings, anything you can think of in an arts and crafts store, right? So I literally fell in love with everything and basically wanted to buy the whole store. This guy, kid you not, came out to $3.99 from a whopping $15.99. And I thought this was so adorable and just totally me. My, what does it say? Running on caffeine ripped jeans. Definitely ripped jeans are a must. Coffee is a must. I have my round sunnies here. My husband was the one who actually saw this and he thought this was so fitting for me. So the last thing I got from Hobby Lobby are these pairs of lashes. Now I don't have it on me. It's actually hung on my wall here, so I'll go ahead and give you a quick B-roll footage of it. They offered this in black and this nice soft brown color. I was kind of hesitant to get this color because I wanted the black, but I also wanted a little bit of a different color contrast in my room against the gray wall. So I leaned towards this color, and I also thought about it because if I really wanted to have a pair of black lashes, these can be easily painted later in the future, but for now, I kind of like this color against the gray wall. And the last thing I have is this acrylic dish palette that is dirty. Everything's like dirty here. So basically this is like a painter's kind of like palette. You can put your thumb here and hold it and actually put your makeup. You can put some of your products on here instead of using the back of your hand. So I purchased 2 of these so I can have one in my kit and of course one here. Since I'm working on myself, I could use the back of my hand. However, when applying on makeup on others, it's a little bit more sanitary to use a palette versus the back of my hand, unless if your hand's clean, but honestly, I think a palette looks a little bit more presentable. So I bought 2, one I can have here and again, one in my kit. All right guys, my hair is starting to get all over the place and it just needs to be styled because my hair is like wet still. All right guys, that is it for my monthly favorites. I hope you guys are enjoying the summer so far. Happy Pride Month. Next stop is going to be Vegas, so I'm excited for this coming weekend. All right guys, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!